Dhoni is the most destructive batsman.
He changed the face of Indian cricket.
I think Dhoni is the biggest legend Indian cricket's ever had.
For Dhoni, I love you, Dhoni.
Obviously a fellow wicketkeeper, he's been an idol of mine growing up. Mr. Cool. I love his persona on the field. Looks very calm and in control when he bats. He's got lightning fast hands behind the stumps. He loves to take the game deep, and I think his unique style has been a great ambassador for the game. I'm a huge MS Dhoni fan.
One of the greats of the game. Phenomenal wicketkeeper, stood up to the stumps. I don't think anyone will ever be as good as him.
MS is very cool, man. I love him.
Nothing's new to him. He knows his game inside out, and he's done it year after year after year. And obviously his batting speaks for itself.
MS has got this fantastic personality of remaining calm under any situation. You know, a lot of people have asked me that you've played with him, how does he remain so calm? I said he doesn't show it. You know, from inside he's different, from outside he's different, and that's a great quality of a captain. You know, it's a thing which keeps going around in the dressing room and the players, and I think he's been a great servant to the game. I think he gets a lot of respect. We only look at the criticism, but I think the amount of respect he gets in India is unbelievable.
MS Dhoni is still the best leader. This is my first game under Smith, but he's learning from MS Dhoni as well. I mean, I was actually watching them that he was taking advices from MS Dhoni. So yes, I mean, he would like to take more advices from MS Dhoni in coming games.
And it's an Indian captain who's been absolutely magnificent.
What you see from the outside is very different from how things happen within a person. His greatest skill is just maintain his composure in the toughest of moments, and that's why he's so good. That's why he's able to make such good decisions under pressure, because he's always calm, he's always composed, and he allows himself to get into that space where he can take that important call. So there's so much to learn from him. When I walked into the team, he was my captain. He's always going to be my captain in my head.
For me, when I came into the Indian team in 2016, he was the captain. So that was a good relief for me that whenever in doubt, we run up to him, we ask him questions, because he's a calming influence in the team. He helps us quite a lot.
We all just love having him around and seeing him have so much fun with his cricket now, and he just enjoys every minute of being on the field, and our understanding's been brilliant over the years. Because when I walked into the team, the reason why he gave me chances, because he believed that I play with the right intention and I would do anything for the team together, and that's why the partnership is so special. And even off the field, he understands me fully, I understand him completely, and I'm always up for listening to his advice on the field, and it helps immensely to have someone so experienced around.
Finishes off in style. A magnificent strike into the crowd. India lift the World Cup after 28 years. The parties start in the dressing room, and it's an Indian captain who's been absolutely magnificent.